Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split data that's stuck in one column into separate columns using a feature called text to columns. No formulas, just clicks. Let's start with full names. This is great if you have got a mailing list or attendance sheet and need first and last names in separate columns. First, select the column with the data you want to split. Then go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. In the wizard, choose Delimited. That means the data is separated by a specific character. Click Next. For our names, the delimiter is a space, so tick space. Check the preview at the bottom. You should see first and last name in separate columns. Click Next. In the destination box, type or select B2. Click Finish. And there you go. First names and last names in separate columns. Next up, we have got full addresses in one column. This is perfect if you want to sort by city, create mailing labels, or organize location data. Just like before, select your data, go to the Data tab, and click Text to Columns. We will again choose Delimited, click Next. But this time our separator is a comma. So tick comma and watch the preview. You should now see the street address, city, and state in separate columns. Click Next. In the destination box, type or select B2. Click Finish, and we have got street address, city, and state neatly split into their own columns. For our final example, we have got employee codes in column A. Each code starts with the employee ID followed by the department code, all in one string. This is a classic case for fixed width splitting. Select your data, go to the Data tab, and click Text to Columns. Choose Fixed Width. Perfect for when the split is based on character positions rather than a space or comma. Click Next. In the preview, click right after the sixth character to set the split line between the ID and department. You can drag it if you need to adjust. It's like cutting a sandwich perfectly in half. Except here, nobody fights over the bigger piece. Click Next. For the destination, select B2 so the results start in the employee ID column. Click Finish. And now you have got the employee ID in one column and the department in another. And that's 3 quick ways to split data in Excel. Names by space, addresses by comma, and employee codes with fixed width. All done with text to columns in a few clicks. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.